Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got something very special for you guys this time. Got ourselves a 96 EK hatch. Takes care of it every day. Maintenance doesn't matter. This man dailies this car everywhere. You want to run? Pull up beside him. He doesn't care. Came down, spent the weekend with him, decided to do something a little bit different. Had a good weekend, had a couple beers. Let me drive the car around a little bit. Took me for a ride. It's going to be a really short video. Alright guys, so as the video goes along, I'm going to describe and tell you guys what's done to the car. I'm not going to tell you numbers. I won't tell you how much money he's got into it, but I will tell you some of the parts. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we got the 1996 Honda Civic EK hatch. Painted the engine bay silver. B20 VTEC. Tile replica. Toyo R888. Got a holset 40 turbo. The ITR CAMS supertech valve kit, B16 head. Got a skunk 2 intake manifold. A little bit of dirt never hurt nobody. All in all, really well put together motor. Abraham did a fine job. Super glad he finished this a while back. The man dailies it everywhere he goes. Hands down one of my favorite cars. First time getting to drive this car. Was kind of nervous, didn't want to hurt nothing. Just did a really short pull for you guys. If you guys like what you see so far, please do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn the bell on. Let's try to get this video to 15 likes. Let's see if we can do that, guys. Help me out. Enjoy the rest of the video. I bet y'all are wondering what cluster that is. Can you believe it?